NBA players in the East right now, I'll answer this, Paul, sasagutin ko to na parang general, like talagang no question, best player. Pero maglalagay din ako ng bias na favorite ko, di ba? Na not necessarily top. So number 1, I would say Joel Embiid. Sobrang dominant niya. I would even go far as to say he could, if he wins a couple of championships, he could contest Shaq as the most dominant player. Diba? I would even put him above Giannis. Si Giannis naka isang championship na. Si Embiid wala pa. But the way he's playing right now, if it brings a couple of championships to Philly, I could argue that Joel Embiid might be more dominant than Shaq. Toe-to-toe na peak. So number 1, Joel Embiid. Number 2, I would ito yung favorite. Gusto kong player ngayon, si Tyrese Haliburton. I really love his game. Gusto ko yung mga players na not that athletic, not that fast, but very crafty, very skilled. I resonate with that as well. So I really like his style of play. He doesn't necessarily have to score, but he can score. He can set his teammates up, and it translates into wins. So that's my type of player. And then lastly, siguro I would say in the East, I would still put Giannis there. I would put Giannis at number 3. I would put Jason Tatum at number 4, but Giannis number 3 for me, just because whenever you have Giannis, ngayon na meron pa silang Lillard. It's really a title contending team. I hope Jason Tatum is very good, he's very talented. I hope he gets to that level one day, which I'm sure he would. But so far, my top 3 is Embiid, Haliburton, and Giannis.